Hey guys, welcome to Johnsaddy Driving. Are you looking to drive or you want to become a best driver? If so, you are the right place. My name is John Saddy. I have been driving since 2009. When it comes to driving, I know most of. I am a qualified driver. I train many people on how to drive, and today they become an expert in driving. I will be posting video every week in this channel, and to the best of my knowledge, I will continue to posting, and you are going to learn more from me as an experienced and expert in driving. Please subscribe to this channel, turn on the notification button so that anytime I post a video, you get the notification button. Thank you for watching this video and continue to follow my channel.